Welcome to the Bike Culture Hub. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 gallons, the ultimate touring motorcycle that has set new benchmarks in comfort, performance, and technology. Let's break down everything that makes this latest Goldwing a game changer. A bold new design. Honda has refined the Goldwing's legendary design, giving it a sleeker and more aerodynamic look while maintaining its unmistakable presence on the road. The 2025 model features sharper lines, enhanced LED lighting, and improved wind protection for a more comfortable long-distance ride. The redesigned fairing provides better aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance and improving fuel efficiency. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Goldwing 1800 gallons is the iconic 1833 cubic centimeters six-cylinder engine, now refined for smoother power delivery and improved fuel economy. The latest tuning adjustments give it a more responsive throttle, making highway cruising and city riding even more effortless. Honda has also fine-tuned the 7-speed DCT, dual-clutch transmission, for quicker and smoother gear shifts, ensuring a seamless ride whether you're on winding mountain roads or long stretches of highway.